Good morning. I can't believe I made the same mistake again. I'm always saying when we're packing that I should take half as much clothes and twice as much money, and that would be the good way to travel, but I did not follow my own suggestions, and what I ended up with was twice as many clothes as I needed. Some of it I feel like I have to justify, some of it not. I did pick out a very consistent color palette. On the first day, I wore a cute little skirt and a white shirt and a blue jacket, and this jacket was my base for the rest of the week. I wore it with pretty much every other outfit because it's just so comfortable and smart looking. The next morning I wore a cute little skirt, white shirt, and this jacket, and then we went to Coco Cay. We were on a 3-night cruise to go scuba diving. So to Coco Cay I wore shorts and my Stream to Sea UPF SPF shirt for that part of the day. And then that evening, I believe I wore white pants, a blue really dressy shirt, and a blue shirt over it. And for every single outfit, I wore blue sandals. And I did take a spare pair of blue sandals because they don't take up much room. And just in case these broke, I would have a spare. So that was like my first night dressy outfit. And then for the second night dressy outfit, I wore a silk shirt and another overshirt and the white pants. And then for the third night dressy outfit, I wore this more casual shirt, and I did take a pair of spare pants because I'm always thinking that if I take white pants to wear with everything, if I drift coffee on them or I spill or do anything like that, then I'm definitely going to need a second pair. And so these are all the things that I did not wear. I took 2 bathing suits because I thought I might need to, one to be wet, one to be dry. Never needed it. I did use both hair implements on this cruise, Bill, and I did use our travel bags from Tripped. These are really kind of cool bags. You put all your clothes in there folded very neatly, and then there's a gusset on the sides, and you simply zip all the way around, and it compacts your clothes even further. His set looks, I think, a little bit larger than mine. See the difference in size there? Just a little bit different. I don't know if that's a men's set and a ladies set, but his came with 2 of the larger bags, 1 medium bag, 1 of the smaller bags, 2 large, 1 medium, 1 smaller, and really fantastic is you get a laundry bag, which is great, so you're not mixing up your clothes. And then I believe this is meant to be a shoe bag, but I used both of those for my hair styling tools, and this one came with his set. And then my set came with 2 larger bags, 2 medium bags, a laundry bag, and then what I think is a shoe bag. But I had some sandals that came in these nifty little bags, kind of clear, so I've been using those for sandals, and then I use this for either a blow dry brush or a curling brush. Either of those fit in there. So that is just one way that we save some space. We had just gotten some new roller luggage, and what I found with this is that it does work pretty well, but of course the heavier it is, the harder it is to roll along. And this is what's left over of the items that some that I did wear, and this is the whole section of clothing. Actually, from here over the whole section of clothing that I did not wear, but I did wear the hats. For cruising, we do have these luggage tags that are super sturdy, that fit any of the size of cruise ship cabin tags on them. This time we even bothered to print them out in color. I'm still cleaning up a bit from the cruise, and I will tell you a really good thing to take is one of these adapters that has more than 1 USB slot, because although you're not allowed to take an extension cord, and I could use 6 or 7 slots because I could charge a cell phone, a camera, a flashlight. I could charge a whole bunch of things at the same time, but one of these is allowed, so this is a really good item. And also if you have one with a European plug, take that as well, because that way you can make use of the other outlet. Those would be my main tips. Twice as many, twice as much money, half as much clothes. That would be the thing. And also don't forget to take your Stream to Sea hand sanitizer, because you know that it is eco-friendly. Thanks for watching. Bye.